In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Canva templates on Payhip. If you've been looking to turn your creative skills into a thriving online business, you're in the right place. With Canva, you can design professional quality templates for a range of uses, from Instagram posts to planners and even business cards. Once you've created a design, you can share and sell it using Payhip, a platform that makes selling digital products straightforward and profitable. So, let's dive into this process step by step. Start by designing your Canva template. This is where you can unleash your creativity. Whether you're creating eye-catching Instagram posts, organizing planners, or designing sleek business cards, Canva's user-friendly interface and powerful tools enable you to create high-quality designs without any hassle. Remember, the more unique and valuable your template is to a potential customer, the better it will perform in the marketplace. Consider the trends and demands in your niche and ensure your design is both functional and visually appealing. Once your template is ready to go, you'll need to make it shareable with your buyers while keeping your original design safe and sound. Here's how to do that. In Canva, you'll want to click on the Share button and then select Template Link. What this does is it allows anyone with the link to create their own copy of your design. This way, buyers can fully customize the template to fit their needs, while your original creation remains unchanged. It's a simple, yet crucial step to ensure customer satisfaction as they easily personalize their purchase. Next, it's time to prepare your downloadable file that will be given to your customers. This is a key part of presenting your template as a polished product. Start by creating a PDF or a zip file that includes a few essential elements. Of course, include the Canva template share link we just created. Additionally, provide clear instructions on how the buyer can make full use of the template. This ensures they have a seamless experience right from the start. If your template requires any particular asset files, like specific fonts or images, make sure to include those as well. Your goal here is to make using the template as easy and frustration-free as possible. Now, we move on to setting up your product in Payhip, which is an intuitive platform designed for selling digital content. Log into your Payhip account and proceed to add a new product. Here, you will be asked to specify the nature of your product, and you can choose either digital product or select template from the category options if it's available. Enter all the necessary details, including the product name, description, and price, keeping in mind that clear, enticing product descriptions can significantly boost sales. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to successfully selling your Canva templates on Payhip. It's an amazing opportunity to showcase your creativity and perhaps turn a hobby into a profitable venture. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.